Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we are going to be doing an American Rumba workout. If you guys really like these videos, please remember to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It will really help us out. Alrighty guys, we are going to start off with a box step. Get ready, left foot going forward, and here we go, slow. Quick, quick, back. Side together, forward. Side together, back. Side, keep going forward. Side together, back. Side together, forward. Side together, back. Side together, forward. Side together, back. Very good. Now ready? We're gonna go to the side and side. Together, side. Together, side. Together, side. Together, side. Together, side. And one more. Back to that box. Side together, back. Side together, forward. Side together, back. Side together. And now we're going to do crossover. Cross. 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 And now side and together. Back to the box. Forward. Side together, back. Side together, forward. Side together, back. Very good. We're going to go back to that side and we're going to do fifth position. Back. 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 And now side and together. And back to that box. Side together, back. Side together, forward. Side together, back. Very good. We're gonna go like this. We're gonna go side, behind, side, behind. We're gonna turn, underarm turn, and behind. And now side and together, back to the box. Back, forward, back. And now side and together, here we go. Side, together, side, together, side, together, side. Last one, and back to the box. Forward, side, back. Very good. And now, get ready, crossovers. Side, cross. Side and together, and back to the box. Very good. Get ready. Side and fifth position. Last one. Side and together. Back to that box. Very good. Now we're going to go side, back, back, turn, and back. And side and together. And done. Very good. We are going to do that same routine, but we are now going to start from our right foot, going forward. Get ready. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go forward. Side, back, side, forward, side. Let's just hang out here just for a little bit longer, just so we can get used to that coordination of doing it the opposite way. And left foot back, right foot forward, left foot back. Very good. Now watch, we're gonna go side, switch. Very good. Keep this up. Last one, and forward, side, back, side, forward, side, back, Very good. Now ready? Cross over. Last one, and we're gonna go together. And now forward. Back. Back. Get ready. Fifth position. Back. 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 Last one, side and together. Here we go. Forward. Side together, back. Side together, forward. Keep going. Get ready. We're going to go back. One more back. Turn. Back. And switch. Back to that box. Here we go. Forward. Back. Forward. Back. Get ready. And side. Together, together, side, together, together, side, together, together. Alrighty guys, so we went forward with our left foot, forward with our right foot, and now we are gonna start going backwards with our left foot. Get ready, here we go, starting going backwards. And slow, quick, quick, forward, back, forward, good. Now we're gonna go to the side, switch, good, and now going back again, back, forward, back, forward. Very good, get ready. We're gonna go into crossover. Side and together. And go back, back. Forward. Back. Forward. Very good. Now we're gonna go into those fifth position breaks. Back. 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 And side and together. Get ready, going back. Left foot back. Right foot forward. Keep it up. Very good, get ready. We're gonna go side, back, back, turn, back, and then together. Now going back again. Forward, back, forward. Get ready. Side and together. Here we go. Side, together, side. Very good. Get ready. We're gonna go back. Forward. Side together. Left foot back. Right foot forward. And here we go. Crossover. Cross. 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 Side and together. Step back. Very good. Fifth position breaks. Here we go. Back. Last one. And back. Very good. Get ready. We go side, back, side, back, side, turn, side, back. And together back to that box. Here we go. Side and together, get ready. Here we go. Side, together. Very good, last one. Back to that box, going back, back. Forward. Back. Very good, here we go. Cross over. Last one, side and together, and bring it back. And done. All right, guys, you know what's coming next. We have that right foot going back. Get ready. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and slow. Very good. We're gonna go to the side and together. Here we go. Side, side. And bring it back, go. Very good. Get ready and cross over. Last one and bring it back. Very good. And fifth position breaks. Here we go. Back, back, back. Last one, side and together. Back to that box. Here we go. We're gonna go and side, back, back, turn, and back. And together back to that box. Here we go. Here we go, side and together. Side. And back to the side and together. Now bring it back to the box. Very good. Cross over, side, cross, and side, cross. Very good. We are going to bring it back to the beginning. The original, left foot going forward, box step, get ready. 5, 6, 7, go, slow. Very good. And side and together. And get ready, going back, forward, go. Back, forward, back. Get ready, side and cross. Side and together, and back to that box. And get ready, back. And here we go, back to that box. Very good. Get ready, here we go. And back. Turn. And stop. Very good. Other foot, here we go, right foot. 5, 6, 7, and slow. Back. Forward. Back. Ready, here we go. Side and together. and forward, back, and done. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.